Today, we'll be making a Dutch baby pancake. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. In a bowl, add in your all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and give it a mix. Then we'll add in our wet ingredients, our milk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix until your batter is completely smooth. Now to your cast iron pan, melt your butter, once melted, we can pour in our batter. Then place into your preheated oven at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. Once golden brown and all puffed up, you're ready to serve. Add in any additional toppings. Today, I'll be using icing sugar and strawberries, but you can use whatever you like. And there you have it, your easy, delicious Dutch baby pancake. Enjoy!